I'm Safia Middleton-Patel. I'm a goalkeeper, and this is what I'm packing to the Euros. This is my suitcase, and you don't want to see inside because it's messy as anything. I will always make a list about a week in advance, but I won't pack until the night before, and then it's all just a mess, and then I end up just chucking everything in. Ooh. Okay, so my first item is my sunglasses. I bring these everywhere, so these are probably the first thing I'll pack. These are my main ones. I have two of these, so I'll bring two pairs of these, but then I'll also bring a green pair and another random pair in case you never know what might happen and I need backup, so I'll probably bring about 4. Also, it's good for my sensory needs and it can help me focus in meetings and when touring around the stadium, so they'll be the first. Okay, the next one is my AirPods. Travel days, going around stadiums, just chilling in my room, I'll listen to music, I'll put a podcast on and watch a film. I just listen to the Fozcast. I just listen to goalkeeping, even though sometimes it gets a bit boring because it's all I do, but I listen to that and relate. The noise cancelling as well. So when I'm overstimulated after a long day, whip these on, kind of block everything out, but also listen to music at the same time. I will always bring a Lego set with me. This is what I do. I only brought a small one this time. It's always been something that I've been passionate about, even though it's literally plastic bricks. I think it's a good way for me to just take my mind off all the busyness that goes about and just not think. I just put in bricks together and just enjoy my time. Comes everywhere, as well as Trevor, my little friend. I bring him everywhere, but he's always in my pocket, so his face is actually rubbing off. So I might have to get him a new head. He is just a reminder that take your time, have a deep breath, everything's okay, just in a little Lego format. I've even got him tattooed as a little reminder if I do lose him, it's okay. I've got where is my mind as another bit to be like, calm down, it's okay, because I get very overwhelmed very easily, so that's where Trev comes from. Always get a little picture of him in the background with the stadium and yeah, bring him everywhere. I will be bringing another suitcase just for the Lego. Okay, this is the random one. Everywhere I bring my knife and forks. Oh, there's 2 spoons, that's not even a fork. My knife and fork set. I'm very particular with my knife and forks. It is something I've struggled with ever since I was a kid, especially with my autism. I'm very textile and sensory and all that shabazz. They're really small, and usually all the girls are like, I don't know how you eat with that. And I'm like, well, I don't know how you eat with your spade. They're massive, so I also don't know what the Swiss have. They might have massive ones, and I can't deal with that, so we'll be bringing these with me. But I always forget to put it in my bag. It'll be in my backpack, and I get to the airport, and I'm like, ooh, I've got metal forks and knives in my bags, so I have to take them out. But luckily, I have loads of spares. I probably bring about 5 sets every camp, so they're also very essential for me. Okay, this is more of a plain essential. I'm not very good at them. I think I've completed about none. Usually I'll just kind of give it around because I get bored within 2 minutes because I can't figure out what one of them is. I have arrow words, I bring Sudoku, I bring crosswords, I bring word searches, anything, but this was the pick of this camp. And then my last thing, this is only a recent thing. This is probably, I've had this probably like 3 camps. And it is a little flashback camera. It's actually really, really cute. I like it for memories to capture off-pitch, like activities or when we're around the hotel, just cute little memories that isn't necessarily like seen by everyone, but can be a memory for me. So this will be coming with me too.